If you've ever inserted an image in Microsoft Word and it kept hiding behind text, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to bring an image to the front in Microsoft Word quickly and easily so you can position it exactly where you want it on the page. This is especially useful for flyers, reports, resumes, certificates, and any document where you need total control over your layout. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and click the image you want to move. Once the image is selected, look at the top menu and find the Picture Format tab, or in some versions of Word, the Layout tab. Depending on your version and how the image is inserted, you may see one or both of these options. Now click Wrap Text. This is the key setting that controls how the image interacts with the text in your document. When the menu opens, choose In Front of Text. As soon as you select that option, the image will move above the text layer, which means it can be freely dragged around the page without text pushing it out of place. Now, you can click and drag the image wherever you want. You can place it in the corner, center it on the page, or overlap it with other elements if needed. If the image still doesn't appear exactly how you want, just make sure it is still selected and that In Front of Text is active under Wrap Text. You can also resize the image by dragging the corner handles to make it fit better with the rest of your document. One helpful tip is that if you want the image to stay in a very specific position, you can also use the layout options after choosing In Front of Text to fine-tune how it behaves on the page. This is a great trick when designing visually polished documents in Word. And if you ever want to send the image behind text instead, you can come back to the same Wrap Text menu and choose a different layout option. So to recap, select the image, open Picture Format or Layout, click Wrap Text and choose In Front of Text. That's the fastest way to bring an image to the front in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.